Today I want to take an opportunity to clear up the difference between jar sizes. Well, mainly jar opening sizes. There's two primary sizes that Ball and Kerr use, and the one on the left here is called a regular mouth, while this one is a wide mouth. It's not a very wide mouth for a regular, and that seems to confuse a lot of people that this would be considered a regular since it appears to be the smallest. Just so you know, they do make a much smaller size one, but it is not used for canning. And there is a larger size than the wide mouth that is not used for canning normally. These are the two primary sizes. This one here, like I said, is called our regular mouth. Open this up. Simple way for you to figure it out is, well, in inches, we're talking just at about, the inside opening is about 2 3/8 inches. Okay, I'm just measuring the inside diameter from here to here. So the inside lip here to the inside lip here. So we put it there and there, and 2 3/8. Okay. Wide mouth, you have an opening of 3 inches. Okay, like I said, we're just measuring the inside diameter of this. There's multiple other ways you can measure it, but this is the simplest way to do it. If you have a ring and you don't know what size it is, you can measure the inside of the ring, I guess. And this is going to be 2 3/8. I'm sorry, 3 3/8. This one here, we're going to measure, and we have 2 3/4. So there you go. Like I said, they do make larger ones. They do make smaller ones. They make these, like these here. This is a 4-inch lid here, or even sometimes larger, and it fits on a 1-gallon jar. This is not a canning jar, okay? This will prevent air from getting in and out of it. That's about it. Passive air. Don't even know if it would hold up under pressure. And like I said, they make smaller ones also. So hope that clears up some things for you.